Today we're taking a look at a stick vacuum from Rowenta, the X-PERT 6.60 Essential. This model is part of Rowenta's line of stick vacuums, a brand known for the durability of its products and which belongs to the SEB Group, a mark of quality and reliability. With this device, Rowenta promises simplicity and efficiency at an affordable price. It's mainly aimed at urban households with limited space where practicality is key. So it's a particularly interesting choice for students, young professionals, or anyone looking for a handy vacuum. And as always, if you're interested in this model, you'll find the Amazon link in the description to go directly to the product page and the latest deals. Feel free to use this link. Every click and purchase supports the channel. Design is a key aspect of this Rowenta X-PERT 6.60. As soon as you unpack it, you notice its purple, gray and aluminum finishes which give a modern and sober appearance, far from the bulky and unsightly devices of yesteryear. This vacuum cleaner is designed to be lightweight with a total weight of 2.4 kilograms in broom mode and only 1.4 kilograms in handheld vacuum cleaner version. This lightness really makes it easy to handle and allows you to move it from room to room without getting tired, especially if you have multiple floors to clean. Additionally, its wall mount allows you to fix it to the wall for some valuable space saving, especially if you're short on storage. This mount adds a touch of elegance and keeps the vacuum always within reach. We also appreciate the practical details like the LED lighting on the suction head that perfectly illuminates dark areas under furniture, making sure nothing gets missed. Another plus is the stop and go function, which allows the vacuum to stand upright on its own in stick mode, perfect for taking a break while cleaning without having to find a place to set it down. For features, this model is equipped with a 100W motor and uses cyclonic technology, ideal for efficiently separating dust and debris from the air. This cyclonic suction system, combined with the 100W motor, ensures optimal efficiency on hard surfaces such as tiles, parquet, and even thin carpets. However, it does have limited power on surfaces like thick carpets, which is something to keep in mind. The Rowenta X-PERT 6.60 offers two suction modes: an eco mode for everyday cleaning that prioritizes battery life, and a boost mode for tougher messes. The battery life is pretty decent for a model in this price range, with 27 minutes in stick mode and up to 45 minutes in handheld vacuum mode, which is perfect for quick cleaning sessions without needing to recharge in between. The battery is a removable 18V lithium-ion, which makes it easy to recharge wherever you want. The charging time is about 4 hours, which is standard for this type of device. If you want to extend your cleaning session even further, you can even get a spare battery. The practical use of the Rowenta is one of its strong points. It's very maneuverable and nice to use on a daily basis. Thanks to its lightweight design and well-thought-out ergonomics, the handle features a non-slip grip that provides good traction, making the device comfortable to hold even during long cleaning sessions. In broom mode, the stop and go function is a real plus. It lets you set the vacuum upright for a quick break. For operation, there's just one button to press to run the device continuously, which means you don't have to keep holding it down like on some competing models. That's a real plus when it comes to comfort. The boost trigger allows you to increase suction when needed, and you have to keep your finger pressed to save battery. In terms of accessories, the Essentials are equipped with two multi-purpose brushes, a crevice tool and a sofa brush, which covers the essential needs for cleaning furniture, textiles, and hard-to-reach corners. Small downside: once the brushes are clipped, they can no longer be removed, which can be limiting if you want to switch between different accessories. Rowenta is practical but lacks power. Proscenic P12 and Dream R10 are more powerful. Aonis A3 and Ultenic U12 Vesla have features Rowenta lacks. For instance, compared to the Proscenic P12 or the Dream R10, which offer up to 60 minutes of battery life and more power, the Rowenta seems a bit more modest, but it's also more budget-friendly. Other models like the Aonis A3 and the Ultenic U12 Vesla offer additional options like an adjustable handle, an anti-tangle system, or even various accessories that the Rowenta lacks. However, the X-PERT 6.60 is well balanced for everyday use and is very competitive for its price, especially with its lightweight design and maneuverability, making it a really pleasant vacuum to use. The limitations in power and battery life are mainly noticeable in larger homes or complex surfaces, but for apartments or smaller spaces, it does its job perfectly. To conclude, the Rowenta X-PERT 6.60 is an excellent option for those looking for a simple, efficient and, above all, affordable vacuum cleaner. Its lightweight design, comfortable grip, and compact shape are undeniable advantages for use in smaller spaces. In addition, its repairability index of 8.9 out of 10 and the availability of spare parts for 15 years make it a sustainable and responsible investment, perfect for those who want a reliable device without having to change it every 2 years. Of course, it's not designed for large homes or heavy-duty cleaning, and it can be a bit noisy at 85 decibels, but for an apartment or a small household, it's more than enough and will handle your daily cleaning without any issues. To find out more about this model or to grab the best deals, feel free to check out the Amazon link in the description. The click bags and purchases through this link directly support the channel. And of course, don't forget to leave a comment to share your thoughts, like the video if you found it helpful, and definitely subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks everyone, and see you soon. Bye bye.